How much I love and don't love getting out of my own comfort zone. I can tell you though, a way that I've found to do it in talking with so many other people. I love spending time with people that like to get out of their comfort zone too. That's always a good way of getting out of your own, is go spend time with, have conversations with people that find a way to do it. But in order to do it more effectively, I think you need to build up to whatever the thing is. We've all got our comfortability, our own things that we know we will do and we won't do, right? If you ever ask somebody what they will do and they're just like, there's a hard line there, like that's the thing I'm never gonna do. And then you'll ask the same thing to someone else and they'll be like, I don't know, it sounds hard, but I'd be open to it, right? That person that's got that hard line, they're going to take a few more little steps of getting outside their comfort zone on conversations or little things that they do at work, just small things to eventually get to where they'd be open-minded to the bigger thing. The person that says they are open-minded from the beginning, they're not going to need to have as many little wins along the way of getting outside your comfort zone. If it's a big conversation you need to have with your parents or with a friend that you don't want to have, maybe start having some of those little conversations with your kids that you may stray away from because it's not natural for you, or somebody who's closer to you, a friend that there may be something you want to talk to them about so you can work up to that bigger one, or whatever organization you're a part of with somebody. You see it all the time. So I think getting outside your comfort zone is a series of steps, small ones that lead to bigger ones.